Hello guys, yeah, I'm here to visit my friend, but I end up in kitchen. So let me show you what I'm cooking. So I did start video on time because my phone was down. We just come back from boat. We went to go and take a boat. So when we come back, she said, I'm hungry and I want to go and sleep. Oh, she said, okay, go and sleep, but change your clothes. I said, can I have a top to put on? Then she run and go inside and get me a top to put on because she know when I change it, I'm going to cook. My friend, she like food. She like food so much. So this is what I'm cooking. This is what I'm cooking, and she said she like egg. So I boil egg. Okay, the gas is off. At the end, this is what I cook. Let me try it. It's good. She pleaded, please don't put too much spicy. I'm going to lie now. Mommy Gracie. Mommy Grace, it's very spicy. Oh. And the rice is well done, like well done rice. Grace, are you going to eat rice? You sure? I think you will eat your iPad too. How many eggs did I do just now? Always 4. I was thinking it's up to 5. She like food as you see this woman. You see her? I said I like food there. I dey learn. See, I dey learn this woman. I dey learn. You see, me. If you like say I need to go more school. I need to go more school.
Go and learn how to eat.
Learn how to eat.
When me I did.
It like, can you try it?
For you.
It's well done, like well done. You know well done, right? You know when you cook steak, they will say make it well done. But not so. What you eat? Okay, meat.
You still get them to chop meat. You chop meat small.
You see her?
I don't lose guide. I don't go
lose guide. Oh man, let's eat. It's very. It's hot too. Sorry. Even though you born self, I don't even have to say sorry to you. I think I go. The one I made last was really spicy. Ooh, I was not even thinking Grace is going to like it.
Yes, because they chop spice. They chop spice. Now because of the place where we don't stay for this Canada, we can't really chop spice like before. like with penny pasta.
Let me serve my boyfriend first.
Hey, thank you.
I see you. Come here, then. Come, let me give you a. You need egg?
Yes. I need to make the cook sweet.
Yeah, let's manage it. This one is just.
Now when we just get them now, then you don't boom. Something done get this
Ready. My stomach. I can't remember when I eat cooked egg.
It's kind of refined egg.
Yeah, because of the oil. Let me just take this one extra. So, Grace, come and take your food. Should I just bring this water like this? I beg, I have no choice. So, let's.
Why not bring the other blue one?
This one? How many water there inside this one? See, you open. If you not hold on well, you open. So, guys, it's sweet.
Yeah.
This one, eat finish, eh? Go bed. So I'm done eating. Now do well. I'm cooking the food. I'm so fast. Yeah. We don't eat finish now. Relax. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.